Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Off-Access Builds. We are going to be installing my 2 gas tanks underneath the hood. So if you've been following the channel, you know that I have 2 aluminum 5-gallon gas tanks that I have welded together with 1 fill valve and then 2 drainage hoses that come together at the bottom to equalize the tank. What I'm going to be doing tonight is getting the second part of the tank mounted under the hood. I have the first part, it's not mounted, but I have the first part all done. All I need to do is bolt that up, and then I get to have a reference point of where the other half of the mount's going to be. So stay tuned, check it out, see how I install this. Alright guys, let's get her done. Alright guys, so where these 2 bands are right now, it's going to be mounted to the black plate that I have there. That black plate basically is the same dimensions as your stock gas tank. The only difference is I made 2 notches for the gas tank. Okay, so these gas tanks can actually sit at a slight angle, so all the gas will run to the front of it and drain through the bottom drain hoses. So what I'm going to be doing tonight is I'm going to be getting the top mounts located. I'm not sure exactly where they're going to be. I know obviously in line, but I'm not sure how high up they're going to be. So what I need to do is get these mounts back installed in this black plate, and then I can figure out, I think I'm going to try to line up the same right here and then mount it through the dash, or not the dash, but I guess the kick panel, whatever you want to call that. Okay, so get these things in place, and then I'll figure out where those go. All right. Alright guys, so the tank is in the general location where it's going to be. Got the holes drilled, mounted. The only thing that's left is to line it with the carpet, drill the holes out in the carpet here so I can bolt this plate down. And then it's mounted, okay? So the air tank is actually going to go in the middle there. So basically right now all that's left is I got to paint these two tanks. I'm thinking I'm going to paint them either green or go black. I think I'm going to go green. I want them to stand out in the trunk a little bit more. But this is the air tank. It's actually going to mount. If I get it in here right now. Right there. Okay. So I may need to swivel this around, come straight up with it. I don't know. I haven't really got it this far installed yet. But that's the general gist of it. Green, red, and then black carpet. So there you go. All right, guys. So I'm going to strip it down, get it ready to paint then, and get the carpet in, and I'll be done. Alright guys, thanks for watching another episode of Off Axis Builds. Got that dual 5-gallon gas tank installed up front. You guys saw where I was going to mount the air tank as well. So now all that's left is to pull all that apart so I can paint the two tanks. I'm thinking probably green, just so it kind of stands out a little bit in there. Maybe I'll paint it black to kind of blend in. I don't know. I'm kind of playing around with the two right now. But the straps will definitely stay black to kind of give a little contrast. And then once all that's done, obviously I got to put carpet in there, and the trunk's done. You know, I just got to put the air tank in and plumb everything up. But I mean, most of the fabrication will be done at that point. So anyways, thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, hit that little bell for upcoming notifications of the latest videos. All right, guys, remember it's built, not bought. All right, see you in the next one.